welcome again to another video presentation by Kingscliff Sales and Rentals. This time we're viewing 9 Eddy Avenue at Kingscliff. Eddy Avenue is located in the northern part of town, conveniently located 500 metres from beach and 2.1 kilometres from town. It's on a nice level 728 square metres of land, located in quiet street with plenty of quality homes surrounding it, currently undergoing renovations. This could be the next renovator in the area. As we go down to street level, this is how it presents from the street. And as we go inside, you step into an entry area. Beyond that, a lounge room with ceiling fan. The property is currently leased on an expired lease. Kitchen is functional, double bowl sink, island bench, plenty of cupboards and drawers. Also in the kitchen is a eating kitchen area. Going towards the back of the house is the main bedroom, quietly positioned at the rear of the property. It's got a built-in robe which is mirrored with shelves and hanging. Also, as a bonus, an additional wardrobe as well. It's got an ensuite bathroom with shower and vanity. Second bedroom and third bedroom, all of them have built-ins. Main bathroom sees a bath, separate shower, separate toilet, internal laundry to the property, freestanding detached double garage with water connected to it, and a good size rear backyard with garden shed. If you'd like more details on viewing this property, then please call the salesperson, Julian Cleek, on 0400 617 494. Email him at julian@salesandrentals.com.au, or for more photos, visit the website at salesandrentals.com.au.